Hey traders, Joe writes here from maximumlots.com, here with the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 13th of December 2015. So we've still got AC up on the daily, got this demand level marked up. We have seen a long entry in the past week. We're using a slightly different entry method to the one that I've shown previously. So that's been good. Failing that, if we're unable to get in, then this is the next decent level to get in that we can see at the moment if price were to drop back down into that demand. But given we've seen got that strong Momo and a few bits of other Momo heading upward, then there's downward bits we could see move further up before price comes back down. But this is definitely one to watch out for. Okay, so moving on, sticking with the Aussie though, let's look at AU. In fact, let's look at AN quickly, because we did have this level marked up right here. As you can see, price went straight through that. This demand level was marked up last week, but price dropped straight through without any signs of reversing. We didn't see red candles only coming into the zone. We've got this little pause before price tested that momentum candle and then engulfed that demand. So there were no entries on that one. So yeah, back to AU then. We've got this demand level here, this block base rally. We've got a bit of a level test before price rallied up further. Price has had two momos. We've got that one there, another one here. If we see red candles come back down, then we may be looking for a reversal from that zone 2. Moving on to CJ CAD Yen. This is the daily of CJ. In fact, this one could come down here. We've got a bit of supply there. We do have lots of channels in this area, but from about here, this particular base was formed before this drop in price. And now that we've zoomed out, we've lost demand. There it is. So we've got demand here from a very long time ago. If I zoom out to the weekly and then zoom back in the daily down here, that's the demand level that we've got marked up. Now I know that not all brokers are showing that as a gap, some are just showing it as a demand, but on this particular broker it's shown as a gap, but it is demand nonetheless. So we are just a few pips away from that demand level at the moment. Let's have a look. We are just about 78 pips away from that demand. Price has been falling nicely so far. So yeah, if it continues down to what, 8700 thereabouts or 87.00, then we can have a bounce. We'll be looking for that on CAD Yen. Okay, so moving on, let's just touch on EG quickly. Price is still in between those two levels, not much there. And then finishing off with EU, price is also in between. So after that big rally up, we had a bit of a retrace and then move back up. There was a long entry on this one as well, but if you didn't manage to get in on that one, we may see further ones, or we've got this short further up here. So that's the plays on EU at the moment. Now I'll just touch on dollar Swiss. So I did have this one marked up last week. As you can see, it was this demand level. We were watching it, see what happened. Price did bounce a little bit, but the rally wasn't sustained. We didn't get an entry anyway, so no entries, no losses there. We do have a pass further down, but we need to watch out for if this resistance here turns into support. So nothing on this one for me at the moment. So these are the pairs I'm watching. Until next time, happy trading, guys.